Hi, Dave here for RealWheels Corporation with a look at upgrades and overall benefits of our American-made stainless steel wheel simulators for 2007 to current Sprinter 3500s with 16-inch dual steel wheels. Key areas I'll highlight include a significant mounting upgrade to our front simulator and ease of installation on all of the simulators. The upgraded appearance these simulators give your Sprinter cargo van, utility van, or motorhome. Ease of cleaning and maintenance. Your choice of two finishes, either a mirror shine finish or our new Stealth series featuring a durable black powder-coated finish. We've completely redesigned the mounting for the front simulators. They now feature our hub mount system. Simply remove two hub bolts, install the brackets, and reinstall the bolts. Then align the holes in the wheel simulator with the holes of the mounting bracket and thread in the mounting screws. The new system makes installation quick and robustly secure. Similarly, for the rear simulator, simply install the brackets under the axle nuts, then align the holes in the wheel simulator with the holes in the bracket and secure with the mounting screws. The rear simulators are also available with our American-made, high-quality stainless steel braided valve extensions for easy air pressure monitoring and access. The rear mounting brackets come with tabs incorporated into the design for easy air valve extension mounting. Another important highlight is that the side profile of the RealWheels front cover and deep inset of the rear cover simulate the look of aluminum wheels. This really gives your Sprinter van or motorhome an outstanding appearance. Competitor wheel covers simply mimic the look of plain steel wheels. For styling, RealWheels has added 18 beveled round cutouts that match the factory wheel holes and domed centers that really enhance the look of the wheel simulator. RealWheels center emblems come standard. Fleet, OEM, and custom emblems are available with a minimum order. The lug nut cover bump out design prevents curbing damage, eliminates missing lug nut covers, and makes cleaning easy. And speaking of cleaning, you'll be amazed at the amount of time RealWheels Sprinter simulators will save you. Typical covers with pre-mounted lug nut covers require a fairly laborious process to clean around each individual lug nut cover. With RealWheels lug nut cover bump out design, simply spray and quickly wipe clean for an outstanding shine. On average, you could save 20 to 30 minutes each time you clean. This makes pride of ownership so much easier. The simulators are available in a mirror shine finish or as part of our Stealth series. The Stealth series is RealWheels' line of wheel end products that come with a durable black powder coated finish. Each is made from heavy gauge, high quality, non-magnetic 304L stainless steel, which means they will not rust pit or corrode. That's why we are able to offer a lifetime guarantee on the workmanship of each simulator. Hand polished in our in-house buffing department, the mirror shine finish is also guaranteed for life. You'll be impressed at the upgraded appearance these American-made stainless steel wheel simulators give your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van or motorhome. RealWheels also offers wheel simulators for the 2004 to 2006 Sprinter 3500 vans. And if you have a single rear wheel Sprinter van, see our video that highlights those covers. For more information, visit our website at RealWheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.